Welcome fellow adventurer and dungeon master to a new edition of Character Concept for You, where I create level 1 characters for you to use as either heroes or NPCs. Feel free to change them in any way you like or create your own hero with the build you see before you. My name is Model42 and today I want to tell you about Rosalind, a gorgeous dwarven lady with holy blood and a cool and tactical swashbuckling playstyle. At the end of my hopefully inspirational video you will find my character sheet for her that you can easily save via screenshots. For the PDF version you only need to follow the description, and now let us take a look together. Rosalind has a maxed class DC of 17, is stronger than many, is amazingly agile and supple, healthy and fit, of normal schooling, a bit wiser and also a charming beauty that seems unapproachable because of her holy blood and unusual high build for a dwarf. She has a large amount of decent skills, though nothing comes close to her acrobatic talent of +7. When it comes to her saving throws she fares pretty well with her reflexes being exemplary, having a good perception, speaking 5 languages fluently, 22 amazing hit points which is a lot for a swashbuckler, though she can only move at 4 paces which is not optimal. The armor class, if she is wearing only the clothes on her body, if at all, is a very good 17 in all her usual attacks, may it be with her whip, a dagger or a simple knee to the gut, have all a very good chance to hit and also are susceptible to her precise strike precision damage. The whip especially is a very useful tool in her capable hands. With dark vision she can see well at pretty much all times of day and is of angelic blood, which is a lineage and had to be taken now or never. She can fascinate people with her performances, can gain panache by using grab, trip and shove actions successfully, gaining movement speed, bonus to tumble in her panache giving actions as well as dealing precise strike damage, though with her disarming flair even disarming will give her panache since she is a gymnast in her style. Because we need a lot of basic actions, I put them all here, so you need not look through the book, just on your character sheet. Also she can use the confident finisher for some amazing extra damage. Her equipment is nothing special, though we bought some extra jewelry to fit the artwork and also one of the sheaths is more or less a holder for her whip. Also she has a lute to play with, which can be relaxing. If you want to level her up authentically, try to increase athletics before anything else, since this is the basis for all her panache giving actions, trying to increase her dexterity, constitution, strength and of course charisma. If you do not find anything useful in her class feats, I heartily recommend giving her the cleric dedication for Shellen since she is a devout person or adding the rogue one for some extra potential. The charming Rosalind is an uncommon Aasimar, so you have to ask your dungeon mistress for permission to play her. She is neutral good, meaning that she strongly believes in faith and her goddess, but is much looser when it comes to laws and seeing both the good and bad of it. But being a good person means she will always try to help those who cannot help themselves and will pass on doing anything evil or put herself before others. Wearing fine jewelry herself she appreciates fine craftsmanship of all kinds, respecting the work, training, effort and patience that went into creating it. Being a stubborn dwarf she will never back down from something if she has set her mind on doing it, like wearing her exuberant and radiating outfits, which is her preferred style of fashion. Also she has a close friendship, but seeing as it is your part to write her backstory, you might want to give her a best friend, no matter the gender or race, though most likely it will be another member of the church or a childhood friend. Knowing her abilities and skills very well, being well trained in many of them either by herself or others, she holds herself not only in high esteem but also is very confident, also training her skills very regularly to stay in shape, which means dancing, shadow fencing, gymnastics and more. When it comes to her faith in Shellen, as suggested earlier, she is highly devout with an unshattering belief in the eternal rose and her way of protecting art, beauty, love and music, trying to bring these things wherever her path should lead, usually to other temples of Shellen. Being different from most dwarfs, not only in her height but also her shape, she sees herself more like an angel come to Galarian for a purpose she does not yet fully understand. Rosalind is not shy at all, as one would guess with her preferred outfit which in the deserts of her homelands is not that bad of a choice, though she is a modest and very down-to-earth person, making her very easy to interact and connect with. The cute lady also has a great love for waterfalls, not passing up the chance to spend a bit of her precious time to dance, pray and even flirt a little below it, feeling the cold water cleanse her body and soul. Thank you for sticking with me to the end, and if you like Rosalind or just want to help out, Leave a like and subscribe for more content and guides. You can also leave a comment of what you think about her or how you would use this strong female character, or build, in your games. Stay safe my friends, and we will see each other somewhere in Galarian. If you are looking for the character sheet pages, here they come.